I don't describe anything in one word. Confluence whiteboards in 2 words: unstructured fun. The rationale behind it is that's what it does, right? I think we have this weird fetish in work that we look for structured things that are locked and loaded because we feel more comfortable with them, and we avoid the unstructured, messy stuff. But the unstructured, messy stuff is where you have fun and you create value. Whiteboards enable me to do that. They enable me to take different opinions, different views, move them around in a very fluid way to then make a decision that I'm going to do in Confluence, right? But that whiteboard gives me that chance to really explore. Top tips for using a virtual whiteboard: before you use any tool, work out why. You've got to know why you're doing what you're doing. I love the phrase, a fool with a tool is still a fool, you've just made them faster. And I've seen a lot of fast idiots in my time. So before you even open the tool, why am I bringing these people together? What for? What's the purpose? Then understand, how can I use the tool to amplify that purpose? If you don't have the purpose, you're just going to be busy. No one wants to be busy. Busy is boring. So know why you're doing it, and then work out with the different personalities, the different roles, the different styles you've got in the room. The minute you bring a diverse team together, you have to be very purposeful. How am I going to build an environment where they can all contribute? Now, the whiteboard will enable you to do that, but it's not going to force you to do that. So understand how you're going to bring people in and how you're going to give them the time to explore and contribute. So if you look at any change any organization's going through right now, they're trying to improve how their teams work that way. If you look back at the last 100 years, we spent all of our time thinking, how do we work up and down the chain of command? Modern work needs us to work better in teams and across teams. And Confluence whiteboards enable me to do that fluffy front end, the fuzzy part of work, that unstructured part. And then as I make a decision about what I'm doing, build it into Confluence. And then that enables me to actually build a shared understanding with my teams around what I'm transforming. And without that, transformation is just a buzzword that consultants sell for $20 million, and it doesn't result in change. Confluence whiteboards enable me to actually get belief behind the change.